it going, everybody? Here at Red Apple Fireworks, and the store is nice and full. I'm not gonna be able to go over the whole store. That would take a while. But we'll go over their items, see what kind of sale they have. So they got like a bulk thing going. Bulk buy. So if you guys are curious. So let's go look at the cakes. Let's find the 200 gram cakes first. They've rearranged the store. They got the assortments back here. But here we go. So they do have some sales going. American Patriot. Back the blue, $14. So alone right here, this one is $12. $17. And they got some other cakes on the other side. Beyond It All for $12, normally $14. They got the Palm Beach case, you guys, 16 to 1, $153 for the wholesale. $21. Outwit, $16. Microblast, you guys. Microblast is $28. So for assortments, the unicorn box for the case of 3 to 1 is $216. You can see their prices online, but they also have the unit for $99. Well, this is $179. So I'm wondering if they put their canister shells in the front. Panda box, you guys, is $171 for the case. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, those are the prices. So spend $4,000, $10,000, or $20,000, and that's the price that you get these for. Okay, that's the first time I've seen that kind of sales. So New Year's Eve, this is $189 for the barbecue box. A little all over the place. There's a lot of people in the store. Even though like some aisles are empty, some aisles are just full of people. So these were out for a while. They have them back. And these are on sale for $36 each. Let's see what we got. I'm trying to scan for some sales here. $63. You guys, this is a unique effect right here. Shoots a huge shell up high, and it's sky filling from mid and high, actually, like this one. Oh wow, they got the sunflower bombs. $199 for a case. It's a great assortment. Salute to our heroes. I did this on Veterans Day one time. 49 bucks. It's a great cake. Cool company, $34. Dude, they got so much fireworks, it's so hard. Oh, okay, they got the jewels. This is one of my favorite assortments, you guys, from Red Apple. Jewels, for a case, it's $149, $45 each cake. So you save $50 buying the case. Let's see what else, they got so much stuff. So these are, you gotta spend a lot to get their sales. Now, I do spend a lot on fireworks, but not during New Year's. I think their Black Friday sale is their best sale. So they do have all their canister shells. Up here, they got the Killa, the Chromas. They got a big sign for Chroma to promote it. But I'm gonna keep this short and simple, you guys. Kind of show you guys what they got. They're pretty full. Chromas, you guys, are $180 for the case. $81 per unit. So $81, good deal. $180 for a case of 3. Really good deal. See how much the geishas are. $2.29 for a case of the Killa. Geishas, you guys, are $2.89 or $1.09 each. So $1.09 for one or $2.80 for the case. All this is all their finale sets, I believe. You can see all these prices online. They do have that wholesale. If you spend a lot, you get it for a lot cheaper. But you have to spend a lot. Celebration, 99 bucks on sale. You don't have to spend a lot either. If you spend a lot, you get it for $81. 99 bucks. Not bad. Stunner for 100 bucks, $108. Jewels, let's see, 126 for the Tiki assortment, Tiki Assault. Ultraviolet is 120, 144 for Buddha Barrage. Shinobi, you guys, is 135. After Dark, 140, 160 for Starcats. Flowers, you guys, 120, 139. Here we go, 117 for Ultra. You guys, this was my first zipper cake I ever bought. It was Ultra. It's 117. This is 160 for Wavelength. This has a great Nishiki effect in it, you guys. They're 189. 162 for Rose. Trying to see, we got some specials. 169. So all these are going to be online if you want to see the pricing. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think of Red Apple. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and always burn that like button. Thanks for watching.